Hair dryer time. Hair dryer time. Hair dryer. Today we're taking apart a hair dryer. It's partially broken. Let me give you a demo. It's working fine right now, but most of the time, it makes a very squeaky noise. Like, it's very squeaky and loud. It also smells really bad. Anyways, I don't know what this switch does, so we'll have to find that out. So, anyways, let me just grab something real quick. Okay. GFCI cord, save this for later. Permanently disabled, baby. Time to crack this boy open. Crispy, crunchy screws. Dang, these screws have a lot of resistance. Oh, there they go. No, this is a ratcheting screwdriver. Why am I doing that like this? Hey, how do you like my wrist? Nice view, isn't it? Like the butt of my screwdriver, very nice view, isn't it? Oh, come on. Won't this screw just come out already? There we go. That probably wasn't enough, honestly. There's probably more somewhere. The handle is kind of opening. If I had to guess, there's something underneath these metal things. Hold on, let me get out my flathead bit. Ow. Give me a second. Oh, does that hurt my fingers? Oh well. Time to get to prying. Oh, come on. Bruh. Alright, let's just see what we have in the magical fun bag. AKA a toolbox. Or tool bag, technically. Eye hammer. Come on, man, just give it up already. Oh, come on, man. Just give it up already. Oh, crispy. Oh. Hey, yo, secret bottom position? Or that probably really isn't. Wait, yo, what? This is like an actual switch? Yo, why is there actually so much dust in this thing? Yeah, no, there's a secret bottom position. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 position. This is only a 3-position switch. Cause you off, low, high. So yeah, there's an extra secret position. Anyways, I think this is actually kind of cool. There's like a blue switch in here. Anyways, what is this switch for? Like powers on this here light. And it goes up to something, I presume. Something. It's gotta be something, right? Man, these videos are always so boring. Like, literally half the time it's just me taking off screws. I don't really know of anyone who enjoys these videos. If you enjoy these videos, comment, I enjoy these videos. Is that a capacitor? Is that a capacitor, chat? Does this one break off too? Or not? I think this one breaks off too. Oh, the tension. Oh. Ooh, dusty. You dusty, you rusty, you crusty, and you musty. Yeah, my hair dryer. Hey, yo, broom, broom. Capacitor, how many volts? I don't think this is a capacitor. If you know what this is, let me know. Just says IP 125 VAC, 60 hertz, 4 milliamps. And it looks like it has like 2 neutrals in it or something. Dang, that's a crusty, musty switch. And this would just go boop. It's weird, they were turning a switch into a button. If I had to guess, it's a normally closed switch because it cuts off the heating elements. Still don't know what this button does because the hairdryer would work perfectly fine even if it's off. Because yeah, the wires run up into the top, it almost looks like. So with those screws off, I think this might just pop open. I don't really know. Impeller right there. Reminds me of that one in Tegza video. If you know, you know. And you just lightly tap the crease. I hate plastic snaps. And I'm sure there's thousands of people who would agree with me. My impression of cavemen. Oh, check it out, guys. I can peel this up now. And we'll find out if there's any screws. Oh, that's glued down there good. Ah. Oh, hello there. Ugh, dusty. Boom, boom. Oh, that is stiff. No wonder it was squeaky. Get out. Oh, come on. So I'm hoping this will just all slide out once I get these 2 screws out of here. Oh, you like my screwdriver butt? Yeah. Okay, I think that one's all loose. Me completely forgetting that this is a ratcheting screwdriver. POV, that feeling when you forget that you have a ratcheting screwdriver. Oh! Oh, good. It came back. If you didn't see, it literally fell into there. Come on. Come on. Come on, man. Just come on, man. It's not that difficult. Ugh. And I like these little screws that have the flanged ends. So, they get added into my board with my section of flanged screws. This, if you haven't seen it before, this here is my board of screws. Oh, come on. So basically what I'm doing right now is I'm tapping a hole for this screw. And by the way, we don't screw screws around here, we hammer screws, so. Oh, come on, man. You gotta be like that. There we go. Where'd the other flanged screw go? Oh, there you are. You can't get out of this, buddy. Me, as I proceed to hold the hammer like an electrician. No, you gotta get that leverage on there, man. Ah! Alright, come on, man. No! Okay, enough ADHD brain. Enough screw hammering. Hope I don't need those back. So the motor here pops out, but what about the heating elements and all that fun junk? Where'd my pliers go? Yeah, but yeah. Imagine using this as your daily driver hair dryer. Oh, okay. We make progress. Oh, okay. That's the internals of a hair dryer. You have your big thing of nichrome wire and junk. You can see how the turns are tighter down here compared to up here. And then your fan, or technically this one's an impeller, but some of them have fans. So what does this switch do here? I need to know. So these 2 wires run up. And they go into this capacitor thingy, and then they run into here. So it might be like a turbo switch or something. Anyways, we can see we have some fancy modules in here. We have this thing here, which might be a temperature switch. Oh, come on. We have this thing here, which might also be a temperature switch. Looks like we might have a bimetal strip in there that like expands at temperature. We have a diode. And I think that's about it. So, trying to think of what to do. I don't know. Maybe I'll just end the video there. I don't really know what else to do. I'm trying to think. Oh well. I guess that would be the end of the video. So, see ya. Two switches. Alright, well, see ya.